Here we are going to install the inner rail onto the chassis first, and then mount the unit onto the server rack. So the first step, you need to remove the two screws on the front end side of the front bezel. Just unscrew it, and then take the inner rail to fix it on the chassis. There are 4 screws. You need to fix the inner rail. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can find the screw in the screw pack. Do the same thing on the other side of the chassis. Okay, so you can see the inner rail was there, and here is the inner rail. Okay, so the inner rail got to slide from the opening of the front rack post here, and then go into the middle rail. So here we need at least 2 people to carry the unit and lift the unit and hold it securely and sliding the middle rail. Okay, just slide it until start from the front end side. And please make sure if the inner rail was located inside the middle rail. This will prevent to make sure the recommend kit was installed properly. And the last step is take the screws. This screws is to fix the unit from the front end side on the rack post. Okay, these 2 positions. Then just screw it tight, and then they will fix the unit firmly on the server rack post. If you have any questions or problems, please contact SNC for further information about this chassis installation.